Hi, I'm Dave Aikens with Savvy Optics Corp, and this video is going to be demonstrating a transmitted light method 1 scratch and dig inspection. Now for this demonstration, I'm going to use our newest product, the Savvy Optics Light Bar. And this was designed specifically to do the transmitted light method 1 inspection that's described in the MIL, ANSI, and ISO standards. Now this can be used as a standalone device sitting on a benchtop, or it can be used, better yet, inside a Savvy black box, so you get a nice dark surrounding for better inspection. If you've taken my class, you know that transmitted light method 1 involves looking through a part against a comparison standard and looking at it against a series of bright and dark bars. So what we've done is we've created a light bar surrounded by black bars that gives us a beautiful viewing condition for transmitted light method 1. Now when I'm setting up my system, of course, I'm going to have to verify that the light level is acceptable. So I'll use my photometer here. And this has to be less than 360 lux, which is not very much. That'll do. And now I'm going to go ahead and inspect my part. Here's my plano convex lens. I'll go ahead and put it in the light box. And I can see, as soon as I put it in, actually, I see a fairly bright skip scratch. So I'm going to go ahead and position that skip scratch so that it's close to the edge between the light bar and the black bar. And I'm going to tip and tilt it to get maximum visibility, just like you would with any scratch inspection. Then I'm going to go ahead and compare it to the comparison standard. It's certainly higher than the number 60. It's higher than the number 80 as well. So I'm going to call that skip scratch a 100, which would cause it to fail an 80/50 spec. Now, I just noticed that there's a nice dig right next to it, so I'm going to go ahead and take a look at that dig. Now when I'm looking at digs, I'm going to inspect it in the same way, right at that light bar, but I'm going to be looking for apparent size instead of brightness. So in this case, I just grabbed the number 40, and it looks like a pretty good match. But I'll just check the number 50 just to be sure. Sure enough, the number 50 sample is larger than the dig, so I'm going to call that a number 40 dig. That's how you do transmitted light method 1. I could do more scratches that are on the surface, but I don't need to. I know the part already fails 80/50. That's it. Thanks for watching.